Hey guys, welcome to our office. Come on in. You guys have been asking for an office tour video. I actually share this space with Charlie and it serves as our guest bedroom. Everything was done on a super small budget. I want to give you my 5 best tips for keeping whatever office space you have organized. So this is my desk area. I got it from Ikea. It's the Alex desk, and I organize all of the drawers with Dollar Tree products or free boxes. I'm the type of person where simplicity helps me get a lot more done. When it comes to Dollar Tree organizers, this is what you want in your desk. It's got rubber grips and the inside and bottom, and they're really high quality. Check it out. Here's why I really love this desk. You can keep all your messy cords hidden in this little cubby, and no one is the wiser. And you guys saw I recently picked up from Walmart this rolling cart, and this is an amazing way to have my projects here at the ready, but they don't have to clutter up my desk. I got all of the decor from Ikea or on clearance, all of the organizing bins from the Dollar Tree, and I couldn't find an inexpensive paper organizer for my notepads that I liked. So I just went to the thrift store. That's the color it used to be, and I just painted it this really cute teal color. So this cost me about $1. All right, so this is our couch that we got from Ikea. We love it. We've had it for, oh my gosh, almost 10 years. It's been a long time, but let me show you why I love it so much. This actually pulls out underneath of here, and then this pulls up. So this becomes a bed, and then in here we keep all of the bedding, but it really easily is hidden.
For some reason, anytime like something becomes a bed, it's like the coolest thing.
And this is my sloth. His name is Brutus. He chills with me in my office because everyone needs an office sloth. Whenever I'm organizing an office space, I look for it to create purpose so I can get done what I need to get done. In every room of my house, I do this. Behind couches, I keep extra organizing supplies. This is my favorite tote bag, and it's perfect for going on location anywhere I need to go with all of my filming gear. So this works like a rolling suitcase. I got this 50% off at Hobby Lobby, and I can take this anywhere I need to go. Bye. I love Ikea's cube organizers. I have found from Target, Walmart, whatever, Ikea's are the best and the most high quality for the price point. These boxes are also from Ikea and I love them, and inside we keep things like extra light bulbs and camera gear that I don't have to access as often. If you're somebody who really struggles to stay productive, especially once you get in the office, I highly recommend having a daily planner. This one is broken up by morning, afternoon, and night. I sell one of these. I'm gonna give this away to one of you guys if you leave a comment down below. This really helps me track my progress and keeps me focused. Teachers like to call this blocking off your time. It's worked super well for me. Hi! These are our walls of narcissism. Just kidding. I like to consider it our walls of inspiration. We've got our degrees, and something I love is this vision board. And I got this on clearance at Target, but I can track my ideas and things that I want to do, the things that inspire me, future goals. I don't know, it makes me feel like really vulnerable to have that on camera, but it's really nice because when I can see the things that are in my heart out on a board on the wall, it inspires me to actually get them done. This is Charlie's desk area, and honestly, his organization and my organization are very different, right babe? Mm-hmm. But it works for him, so that makes me happy. This is a tiered organizer for your paperwork. We have 2 file, reference and tax, and action folders. So this is the stuff that needs to be taken care of. The key is having a really good filing system. I have talked about this in so many videos. up against the window. This is the Freedom Filer. It breaks up your files by temporary files and permanent files. The temporary files are a self-cleansing system, so you're kind of taking it out as you put new ones in, and the permanent files are really easy to access. I'm gonna link it down below with more in-depth videos about that, but this has really helped us stay organized. If you guys enjoyed, leave it a big thumbs up if you want more organizing videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, never mind. Do that one more time.
A sloth in sunglasses is always funny.